Gynostemma, also called Jiao Gulan tea, is the world's best adaptogen tea. And adaptogens help the body to counteract and balance stress. Gynostemma is known for its exceptional benefits to longevity and health. And when Chinese census surveyors found that there were 2 areas in China that had a lot of people that were over 100 years old, they were really looking to investigate the reasons why. And what they found is that a lot of these people that were living in these areas were having a couple of cups of Gynostemma tea every day. And they attributed this to their exceptional health and longevity. And this is similar to the Hunza people of Pakistan, which are known to have very high levels of longevity and also drink Gynostemma or Jiao Gulan tea. Gynostemma works in its effects to balance stress and as an adaptogen by balancing the parasympathetic, which is the fight or flight nervous system, and the sympathetic nervous system, which is the rest and digest nervous system. So it balances the fight or flight or the rest and digest nervous system, and sometimes the fight or flight response is real, or sometimes it is imagined. But the thing is that when it is not real, this causes the blood to pump a lot faster, sugars to be used a lot quicker, the adrenals to get burned out, and a lot more activity that is not harmonious for the health long term to happen. And so when the body's responses to stress are managed in a balanced and harmonious way, then we can have more health and more happiness and more peace. Gynostemma is known as a Shen tonic herb, which means that it has very good effects for the heart, for the divine energy, for the willpower, for the meaning in life, and the integrity energy. And it is also very good for the health. It's also a Qi herb, which helps a person to think, to move, and to live their life normally, like breathing and all activity. And Qi herbs are good for athletes and people who are working hard and doing a lot of things in their life. So Gynostemma is not just good for the Shen, but also good for the health in general. And it can be drank a couple of times every day. So it is very healthy and very harmonious. And Gynostemma is also one of the best tasting tonic herbs you can find, if not the best tasting tonic herb. And it is known to have 4 to 5 times more saponins, which are healing compounds, than Korean ginseng. And Korean ginseng is really, studied and well known. But the thing is that Gynostemma is also called poor man's ginseng because it is much cheaper than ginseng. But it is perhaps even more effective whilst being cheaper. And the highest quality Gynostemma you can find will be found in the mountains that is grown with spring water. And ideally you want to find some that tastes good, which is usually in whole herb format.